Do you love decorating for fall but want something more exciting than the usual carved pumpkins? Tired of the same old jack-o'-lanterns? In this video, I'm sharing some no-carve pumpkin decorating ideas that will turn your porch or table into a showstopper this season. Ready to get inspired? Let's dive in. Why should you try no-carve pumpkin decorating? Carving pumpkins can be fun, but it's messy and time-consuming. No-carve pumpkins offer a creative, cleaner, and safer alternative for everyone to enjoy. Longer-lasting decorations. No-carve pumpkins don't rot as quickly as carved ones, meaning your decorations will last longer throughout the season. Kid-friendly and mess-free. Without the need for sharp tools or messy pulp, no-carve pumpkin decorating is safe for kids and leaves your home cleaner. More creative freedom. You can use a variety of materials like paint, fabric, and glitter to personalize your pumpkins without being restricted to carving designs. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite no-carve pumpkin idea? What supplies do you need for no-carve pumpkin decorating? The best part about no-carve pumpkin decorating is how accessible it is. With just a few basic supplies, you can create stunning pumpkins. Acrylic paint and brushes. Paint is a versatile option for creating patterns, designs, or even turning your pumpkin into a character without carving. Craft materials like fabric, glitter, and ribbons. These can be glued or pinned to pumpkins to create a textured, eye-catching look. Think of it as dressing your pumpkin up. Stencils, markers, and stickers. These are great for creating detailed designs or adding a personal touch without the need for steady hands or artistic skill. Like and share. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs fall decorating inspo. What are some popular no-carve pumpkin themes? Choosing a theme is a fun way to plan your no-carve pumpkin designs. Whether you're into spooky, chic, or whimsical, there's a theme for everyone. Painted animal faces. Turn your pumpkin into an owl, cat, or even a unicorn. With just paint and some accessories, you can create adorable animal-themed pumpkins. Glitter and glam pumpkins. For a chic and glamorous touch, use glitter, metallic paint, or rhinestones to create pumpkins that sparkle and stand out. Spooky chic pumpkins. If you want a balance between Halloween vibes and elegance, use dark colors, lace, or feathers to create pumpkins with a spooky yet sophisticated look. Want more creative decorating tips? Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. How can you use household items to decorate pumpkins? No need to break the bank on expensive craft supplies. You can use everyday items from around your home to create beautiful no-carve pumpkins. Nail polish marbling. Use old nail polish to create a marbled effect by dipping the pumpkin into a bowl of water mixed with polish for a vibrant, swirling design. Lace and fabric scraps. Wrap lace around your pumpkin for an elegant, textured design. It's perfect for adding a vintage or gothic look to your decor. Buttons and pins. Got a sewing kit? Use buttons or push pins to create patterns or faces on your pumpkin for a crafty, homemade vibe. You can find the materials I've used in this video in the description below. How can you make no-carve pumpkins look professional? With a few tricks, your no-carve pumpkins can look like they were made by a pro. It's all about technique and attention to detail. Prepping your pumpkin. Clean and dry your pumpkin thoroughly before decorating. For best results, use a light coat of clear primer before painting or gluing. Layering paint for a polished look. When painting your pumpkin, use multiple thin layers instead of one thick coat. This gives a smoother, more professional finish. Sealing for longevity. After you've finished your design, use a clear sealant spray to protect your pumpkin from moisture and preserve its look throughout the season. Playlist. For more creative DIY decorating ideas, check out the playlist I've linked in the description. What are some unique no-carve pumpkin ideas for advanced DIYers? Ready to take your no-carve pumpkin game to the next level? Here are some advanced ideas that will challenge your creativity and impress your guests. Decoupage pumpkins. Use napkins, tissue paper, or magazine clippings to decoupage your pumpkin, creating a textured, colorful design that's truly one of a kind. Geometric patterns with tape. Use painter's tape to create clean, sharp geometric designs. Alternate between different colors for a bold, modern look. 3D elements with clay or foam. Sculpt or attach foam or clay pieces to your pumpkin to create 3D elements like horns, flowers, or even mini houses for a whimsical, fairy tale effect. More similar videos. Love advanced DIY projects? Check out the description for more videos like this. So there you have it, tons of no-carve pumpkin ideas that are fun, easy, and sure to impress. Whether you want to keep it simple or go all out, there's a no-carve method for everyone this fall. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments.